This video, part 1, will show how to disassemble and add a transmission cooler to your first gen Colorado. This is the parts list. Here we are removing the bumper airflow deflector for easier access and bending of the new transmission cooler lines. Need to disconnect the battery, at least in my case, since I routed a battery isolator in the front grille assembly. Removing the isolator. There are 4 grille purple release clips, in my case, that need to be depressed to release the grille. Disconnect the marker turn connector and harness for each side. Depress to the slot opening and slightly pull at the top of the grille for each clip. When all the clips are in the slot, then the entire grille can be pulled to remove. This slide shows a couple concerns: the area to avoid for the grille support, and an issue if the cooler rubs up against the edge of the circle wall, which we are removing now. We are covering the exposed metal by the drill with paint to avoid any future rust issues. Here we are using CAD, cardboard aided design, to design one of the 3 brackets holding in the cooler. This was the most difficult bracket to make since it was both the longest and be the strongest. The front and back of the cardboard pattern. Turns out that the middle is too thick and long for the sheet metal brake. Instead, we will use a vise and hammer out the bends. The other 2 brackets were easy to make, since much smaller, no CAD, and can be bent on the sheet metal brake. Cutting the excess material, i.e. future bracket. The hole closest to the bend requires a much longer drill bit to clear. Comparing the cardboard bracket to the actual bracket. Removing the protective film. Installing the bracket. Here we can see all 3 brackets up close. There are 3 points of contact. The 2 driver's side brackets both have a 90-degree bend and twist it 90 degrees to attach to the cooler. Stay tuned for part 2.